Thousands of cancer patients say this drink helped them against cancer, even eliminated cancer. An Austrian doctor named Rudolf Breuss has spent his entire life in search of an alternative treatment for cancer. The formulation is the recipe for a juice that, according to him, stimulates the immune system and cleanses the body. Although it is not recognized by any medical institution, according to Dr. Breuss, its remedy has cured thousands of people. According to Breuss, some cancer cells base their diet on proteins. On that basis, the committee approved the 42-day diet, during which it is advisable to consume a single vegetable and a juice made from beets. Cancer cells die with this famous beetroot juice, beetroot or beetroot. The juice recipe Dr. Breuss. It is necessary: 1. 2 beets, 2. A carrot, 3. A branch of celery, 4. Half a potato, 5. And a slice of horseradish. Steps to follow: blend all ingredients together and drink on an empty stomach. Beets are rich in antioxidants and minerals. Its color is due to substances called beta-cyanins, very beneficial to our health. In addition, the betaine acid content in sugar beets makes it particularly effective against cancer. Beet is a vegetable spread all over the world. Widely used in cooking, it is also used to produce sugar. This vegetable is rich in properties, very useful for our health. From a nutritional point of view, beet is considered one of the richest plants in the world. One of the most amazing properties of beets is that against cancer. It is rich in flavonoids, such as betaine. Beet is very useful in the prevention and treatment of cancer. In addition, it is an excellent remedy to purify the body, ensuring all vital functions. Beets are rich in iron, and have properties that retard premature aging due to folic acid. I ask 3 favors: 1. Subscribe. 2. Share it with your friends and family. 3.